Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok creator tools if it's not showing. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here is just go ahead over to your TikTok profile. Okay, now tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy. Okay, tap on it. Now go ahead over to account. Tap on account. As you can see here, we have a switch to business account section. Just tap on it. All right. If it says here, switch to personal account, well, that means that you are now under business account. Okay. If not, tap on business account. Now go ahead and sign up for the business account like so. Hit on next, 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 continue. All right. Select a category right here. For example, personal blog, hit on next, wait for it. Enter your email right here if you want to, or you can go ahead and skip. Now go ahead and tap on X and check if Creator Tools is now available. All right. Now if that doesn't help, go ahead and go to the three horizontal lines once more. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Now go ahead and scroll all the way down and find Cache and Cellular section. All right. And here, just tap on Free Up Space. Tap on it. Now first up, tap on Clear Cache right here. Clear. Under Downloads, tap on Clear. Clear. Now go ahead and relaunch the app itself like so. Open it up once more and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, well, you might want to check if your country or the region you reside is eligible for using the TikTok Creator Tools. Just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Now just wait for it to load. Now go ahead and type in the URL box, TikTok Creator Tools, eligible countries like so. All right, wait for it. And as you can see here, it is only available for now in the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, Japan, South Korea, France, and Brazil. If your country is not listed in here, well, unfortunately, you can't use it. But if your country is listed in here and you still don't have Creator Tools, well, you'll have to look for the TikTok app. All right, TikTok app icon, tap and hold if you're using Android. Now tap on the information icon. All right, just tap on it. If you're using iOS, go to the settings app, under general, locate TikTok. Now tap on offload app, okay, or offload data. Now in here, going back on Android, go ahead over to storage, tap on it. Now first up, clear cache, wait for it and tap on clear data. After that, go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store. Open it up. Now go ahead over to the search function, tap on it. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Now look for TikTok. All right. Once that's done, if there are available updates in here, make sure that you update it. After that, open it up and it should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.